Hello, students. I'm Dr. Javed, and as a biology teacher, I've seen many students struggle to revise entire chapters just before exams. That's why I decided to create these 2-minute quick revision videos for you people, starting with sexual reproduction in flowering plants. My inspiration came from noticing how overwhelming NCERT chapters can feel when you try to memorize everything at once. So I thought, why not to condense every chapter into bite-sized, exam-focused videos that are very easy to remember and perfect for last-minute revisions. Each video will cover high-yield points, keywords, and diagrams, exactly what CBSE expects in exams. You can watch these videos anywhere, anytime, and be confident that you are revising the most important points efficiently. Let us make biology simpler, faster, and stress-free for exam. So we'll be focusing more on the diagrams which are there in the textbook, and their explanations also, so that it will be easier for you to capture the picture properly, what is happening in that particular chapter. So let us start with the revision short one. The sexual reproduction in flowering plants is the first chapter, introduction and importance of the flowers. So flowers are not just beautiful; they are the seat of sexual reproduction in plants and one of the highest scoring topics in grade 12. So you can directly expect questions from the male and the female reproductive worlds. So this is very important that you know the structure of the flower first before you go deep into this chapter into mega microsporogenesis and other things. So it's very important to know the structure of the flower. Let us discuss about the flower structure first. So you have stamen, it's a male part, which is having anther and filament. It's also called as androecium. We call it as androecium also. And in the female, you have pistil, where you have stigma, style, and ovary. So there are other two whorls which are called as accessory whorls, that is petals and sepals. Petals are for attracting the pollinators like bees and other things. We'll be discussing about the pollination later. So this is the general structure of a flower you should keep in mind before you go deep into this chapter. Otherwise, it will be very confusing for you people. So when we talk about flowers, these are the points which I have taken from your textbook for the revision purpose from the first paragraph of your textbook. Flowers, they are seed of sexual reproduction. This is a high scoring topic. Male gametophyte, it develops into anther, and female gametophyte develops into the ovary. Besides the reproductive worlds, the flowers, they have aesthetic, ornamental, and cultural importance also. And like for example, these flowers, they convey love, happiness, grief, etc. And then there's a term that's called floriculture. Floriculture means cultivation of flowers. It's a simple thing. It's mentioned in your textbook. That's why I mentioned it here. So then you have these flowers are also called as morphological and embryological marvels. So this is also given in your textbook. So I told you that male flower, male gametophyte develops into the anther, female gametophytes they develop into the ovaries. And this is the quick revision for you people. Like males into anthers, female for ovary, and flowers, they have aesthetic and cultural value. The cultivation of flowers is called floriculture. So this is all about the structure of the flower. Next, we'll be talking about the different topic. That's your micro megasporogenesis in another short video. Thank you very much.